Guys, in today's video, I'll be checking the new Animal Company update, and I just noticed there's a lot of lava around the map. And even more maps, I think. But let's go check if that's really right or not. Oh my gosh. Okay. I thought I was cooked right there. I thought the lava was stronger. Okay. And there's actually is lava in different maps. So yeah. Does the monsters get damaged? Because I don't know if they are or not. So let me see. Okay. Oh. And they don't. I see the spider not getting damaged. He really doesn't get damaged. What the heck? Okay. Wait, what the heck? Whoa. I'm sorry. What the heck? He must be tweaking out. Guys, I just noticed the ores from the lava map is over there. So, yeah, that's what I just noticed. Hey, let me see what I need a lance to defeat that one monster. What the heck? There's no lava there, and the lava animation just happened. Well, let me replay it real quick. Let's do. And I think they have a new animation. What the heck? So, yeah. Oh my gosh. And I noticed you can jump higher with this lens. It's like I have the MRE. Like I have that food, you know? Wait. What the heck? This game must be bugging. Okay. Let me eat the MRE. And look. It feels like... Wait, let me see. Let me see when I use it with the lance. And I jump more higher, of course, because it's the MRE. It makes you stronger in the game. So, yeah. That's what I just noticed. The lance in this update makes you jump higher and be more faster. So, I'm gonna check the new items. So, you haven't used it yet? What is it? Is it in gadgets or no? Oh, yes, there it is. It says this was a sticker dispenser. So let me try. What the heck? No. What? This is crazy. No, what? Oh my gosh. And I noticed the sky is like pinkish, reddish, you know? Guys, you can change it by changing your color code. Wait, let me show it to you. You can change it by changing your color code. So, go in color, switch it to like green. Yeah, green. No, like this, yeah. Peach. So, look, the color changes. See? If you change your color code, you can change the color of the arrow next. So yeah, that's it for this video. So yeah, peace.